Hey guys, welcome to the MongoDB crash course using Mongoose in Node.js. So Mongoose is a ODM library, object data model library for MongoDB and Node.js application. It makes and manage the relationship between data more easier and in more quicker way. So that's it. That's the definition of Mongoose. So let's straight jump into the code. Let me share my screen first. Yeah, let's open the. I already created a empty folder inside Visual Studio Code. So for going further, let's create a package.json file inside our project directory. After that, install Express and Mongoose library in our project and create a empty server.js file. The next step is to copy the basic Express server code from npm express and paste the code here inside our server.express.js file. Yeah, that's it. It will create an empty Express.js server. Uh, yeah, so let's start the server.js. Yeah, now our API is running now. So let's connect um MongoDB with our application. For connecting MongoDB with our application, we have to import Mongoose from Mongoose. That's it. Let's create a connectDB function. Async by catch block error. If any error occur, then it will crash the application. It will crash the application. Then await mongoose dot connect, and this function will use our MongoDB connection string. So let's go onto MongoDB database and go click on connect. After that, copy the connection string from here and put inside the connect function. Rename the password and print the message on console like DB connected. That's it. Ta ta ta. Yeah. So let's refresh the server. Let's call the function connectDB. Now refresh the server, save the file, and you see our DB is connected now with our Express.js application. So MongoDB is connected. So after that, let's go further and let's writing a Mongoose schema and Mongoose model in our application. Let's create a model directory and create a user.js file. After that, import import Mongoose from Mongoose. Let's copy paste here and copy paste the import. After that, create a user schema. Now we are going to create a schema mongoose dot schema. Let's write a email field, and a type of schema type will be string. A schema type is just like a data type. There are different schema types like string, number, boolean, and date, and many more. String, age, age will be number. Let's write number. User age will be number. Yeah. So let's write date. Date. The type of date is date, and default value is date dot now. That's it. Now create a model. User mongoose dot model. The name of the model will be user and user schema. Yeah. So now our Mongoose model and Mongoose schema is created now. So let's import the file inside server.js file require model user. That's it. So that's it. Our models and schema is created now. So let's create a model. Let's create a document in our database. For creating a document in our database, let's write a function const create document is sync by catch for error handling console.log the error. If any error occurs, then it will log the error in our terminal. So after that, doc await. Let's create a new user user constructor. Yeah. So email will be ali@gmail.com and age will be 24 and date will be new date, new date, new date, new date. That's it. Let's save the document. Save. That's it. Yeah. So it will create a document in our MongoDB database. So let console.logs that if the document is created or not. Document created done. Let's call the function. Let's call the function create document done. User is not a constructor. New user modules dot export user from user. Yeah, done. Now it will create. Yeah, you see the now document is created now. So let's go into the browse collections inside user database. There are many users already created. You see ali@gmail.com. Boom. So now the user is created in our MongoDB collection. So let's go further and let's read the documents. Comment the data. Comment this function. Let's read docs. Async try try catch error. If any error occurs, then console.log error done. Done. After that, for reading a document, first read all the documents from our MongoDB database. For stocks user dot find, yeah, console dot log docs. Yeah, this find function will fetch all the documents from our MongoDB collection. Let's call the function read doc. Yeah, let's save the file. So refresh now. We'll send a it will send that user mongoose. Yeah, it's a dbr. It's a dbr user dot find await. We are not using await, that's why. Let's write await. Yeah. Now you see it will fetch all the documents from our MongoDB collection. That's it. So after that, let filter the query. Let's find only one document. Let's find only one document by email. For that, const doc await user dot find one. Let's find one. Find by any property. Let's find by email. Let's find by email. Let's write. Let's choose any email like ali@gmail.com. Let's check this document exists or not in our database. Console dot log doc. it will find a single document. It is find a single document by that email. Let's save the file. Yeah, you see, it will fetch the single object from our MongoDB collection by that document by that email. Yeah, yeah, that's the function. That's the working of this function. Let's find by ID. Let's find a document by ID. Const doc await user dot find by ID. This is a function. Let's write the ID. This is ID. Copy the ID and put inside find by ID object console.log doc. That's it. Oh, you got it. You got it. We got the object. We got the object. We got a document from our MongoDB collection. So let's jump into Mongoose documentation. What's in Mongoose documentation it is. So let's go into query. We use find. We use that find method. We use find by ID. We can delete a document. We can go. We will move on that one. We use find one. Yeah, we use all the find operations by now. So find document is done now. So let's update document. Let's go on update document. Update doc. Async. We are using async await. Yeah, try catch console.log. If any error occurs, then it will log the error. That's it. Await user dot find one. Find no. Update one. We are updating the updating a document. Update one. It will find it will first find it will match the filter, and after if the filter is matched, then it will update the document. Update one. Let's ID by ID. Update the document by ID. This one. ID. Yeah. So ID. Let's write a simple option to update. Set. Yeah. So let's update the age. Age will here the age is 24. Let's write 20. That's it. Now console.log document update. Yeah, done. Let's call the update doc function. User dot not one function. Yes, not a function. Update one is not a function. Let's check here. Update one is a function. Why is it not working? Update one. Yeah, we are using the correct method. Update one. Let's copy paste it. We are not using the same. We are using U capital. U is small here. Yeah, now refresh it. Say the file. You see that now the document is updated now. Document is updated now. So let's go into MongoDB collection. Yeah, refresh the database. Refresh the database. Go to the ID. You see now the age is 20 now. So our document is updated now. So there are different functions to update a document. The one is update one. The second one is update many, and the third one is find one and update. So let's try find one and update now. This one is done. Now let's write find one. Let's go with find one and update now. Const, const. Let's write const doc await user dot find one and update. Yeah, let's write up filter match. Like let's try email now. Let's go with email now. Email. The email is ali@gmail.com. Yeah. After that, let's write a update part. age is, now the age will be 32. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. And now let's write a third parameter, new is equal to true. What this new is doing now? What this new is document? When the document will updated in our MongoDB collection, this new is equal to true will return the modified document. It will return the modified document me. So that's it. So updated document, then print that document on our console. Yeah, let's save the file. Let's try this over again. You see now it will return the modified document. This new function will return the modified document. Let's try. Let's try absurd option here. Absurd option here. Let's go. Okay, let's check MongoDB database. Let's go into the MongoDB database. Yeah, Mongoose documentation. Yeah. So find one is done. Find one and update. Yeah, click on that one. There are many options. Less absurd. If true, no document fun, insert a new document. That's the functionality of this option. Let's try that. Absurd is equal to true. Yeah. Let's try early 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If because I know this email doesn't exist in our MongoDB database, so this will match with the email. If the email doesn't exist, then it will create a new document in our MongoDB database and return a modified document. Yeah. Let's save a file. Done. You see, our document is created now in our MongoDB database. So let's go and check the MongoDB collection. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, let's refresh the file. Let's refresh the server MongoDB collection. You see, yeah, yeah, we got it, we got it, we got it. Done. So after that, update doc is done now. There are many operations where you can check in Mongoose documentation, you can check. We use find by ID and update. We can update by ID. We can update by we can update many. There are many options. There are many update functions in Mongoose DB. That's it. So update one is done now. So let's jump into delete document. Const delete doc async. Let's try catch block. If any error exists, then it will auto log the error. Now write await find by ID. We can use delete one, we can use find by ID and delete, we can use many delete many. So delete many will delete all the documents from MongoDB database if we didn't enter any filter operation. So let's try delete one. Let's try find by ID and delete. Find by ID and delete. Yeah, so let's write the ID. Let's copy the ID of the new document. Let's read that document. Yeah, console.log document, delete it. Done. Oh, we didn't call that function. We have to call that function. Delete doc. Call that function. Save the file. Unvalid delete is not defined. Unvalid delete. Oh, we didn't find that. User dot unvalid delete. Yeah. Save the file again. Boom. Document deleted now. So let's check in our MongoDB collection. Refresh the DB. Refresh the DB. Refresh the DB. You see, there is no document with the email only 1234567. So the document is deleted now in MongoDB collection. So that's it. Update delete dog is done now. There are many functions, yeah, in Mongoose for delete. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Find one and delete. Find one and delete. Find by ID and delete. Yeah. Delete many, delete one. Yeah, there are many functions. You can check them. Yeah. We can also, let's try count documents. To count the number of documents in our MongoDB database, we have to call count documents. So let's try count docs. It will count the documents, that how many documents exist in our MongoDB collection, sorry. Console dot log error error await user dot count count document. Let's go into count documents function. Let's copy the count documents. Count documents. Here it is. Const docs console dot log docs. Yeah. So let's call this function count docs. It will count the number of documents in in our Mongoose MongoDB model. Yeah. Done. So the number of documents is 4. The number of documents are 4. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, boom. You see? It will count the number of documents in our Mongoose model. Yeah. Okay, shut the WhatsApp. That's it. So after that, the count document is done now. So let's go into Mongoose collection, Mongoose documentation. Yeah, so done, done, done. Created, done. CRUD operations are done now. So let's check. Let's check. Let's query the filter. Let's use the populate method. Before going to populate, let's write sorting and limiting. Let's how to use sorting and limiting operations here. So for sorting and limiting, let's jump into the let's write sorting and limiting function. Sorting and limiting is used basically in pagination for paginating data. The list is long, so we don't for making performance more better. We have to query the data by limiting the data and sorting the data in ascending and descending order. So that's why sorting and limiting basically used for the main purpose is that. So I think hi catch will be same. Yeah. So const docs user dot find, yeah, find the documents, and then we'll use the sort by id minus one. Sort by id minus one means in descending order. Yeah. After that, it will return the document by latest order by returning a new document. Then after that, returning going down by all documents new to all. It will sort the documents from new to all. That's it. So sorting is done on the limited document. First write this like first write sort operation. It's on the docs. That, yeah, it will sort the document. We didn't call this function, so let's call this function now. We didn't use await. We have to use await here. You see, we fetch we, we read all the documents in descending order made from new to old. This is the newest document. Then after that, go in that descending way from new to old. Yeah, that's it. So after that, let's use the limit function. So we only if we only need one document, we only have to fetch only two documents from the DB. So let's write through here. It will fetch the document. You see, it will only fetch two documents from in descending order from our MongoDB database. Yeah, it will only fetch two documents from MongoDB database in descending order. That's it. That's the sorting and limiting function actually is. So after that, let's use populate method. What's populate method? Populate method is used in relationship to handling relationship between two collections. One collection is user, so let's create another collection for for understanding populate method. So let's write the other collection name will be post. Let's create a schema for post. Let's copy paste this one here. Let's write the schema, the post name, post title. The type will be string, post description, string. The data type will be user. The user, the user who is uploading the post. That the type will be yeah. Let's run populate drive for something. Populate mongoose. Yeah, query population. Yeah, the type will be schema dot object. The type of ref will be query. Yeah, let's copy paste that. Yeah, the user ref will be users, the name of the model, and mongoose dot schema dot type. The type will yeah. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. It will just enter the this user field will just store the ID of the user which exists in our users collection. That's it. After that, our post is done now. Post is schema is done now. That's right. Post here. User post. Let's rename all the types. Post. Post. Yeah. So let's create a new post. Let's create a new post. Let's import the file here. Const post require from model post. So let's create a document for post. Let's edit this document. May no need of that document. Post that the first field will be title. New post. The description will be description is post is funny. Yeah, then doc.save document created. So let's call this function here. Let's uncomment the function here. Oh, save the file. Yeah, document created now. So let's check. Oh, we didn't storing the ID. So for storing the ID, let's copy any ID from terminal. Yeah, create document. Let's write the third field user. Let's put the ID here. Done. Yeah. So it will create a new document. Document is created now. Let's refresh the DB. You see, we created a post collection, and we got two documents. Let's delete the first document with because we are not storing any user ID. So this document is containing user ID, which is linked with this users collection user document. Done, done. So that's it. So let's read all the post. Let's read all the post. Read it all our user. Now let's read all the post. to understand the populate method. Const const docs post dot find to fetch all the documents dot populate use the populate method users. That's it, man. Console dot log docs. Yeah, done. Call this function read doc. Save the file. Boom. No, 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 not boom. What's that? User because it's not in your schema. User is not in our schema. Why? Users are in my schema. Let's check. What's check user? We are storing users. User. Because the name of the model is user, so we have to use user. Yeah. So that user populate. Let's check. Boom. Now it's working, man. Now it's working. We are fetching the document and getting the populated data of the next document because user is linked with the users collection. So we are fetching the uh, we are getting the users collection user document in this post query post document filter. Yeah, that's it. That's a that's the working of populate method. So let's go into the documentation. Yeah, yeah, just read the documentation, man. There is many information about the populate method in the documentation. You can practice all the function at your own. That's it. Yeah, populate is done now. Yeah, so we cover all the mostly all the common functions of Mongoose uh, Mongoose documentation. So that's the most common and most used operation used in creating MongoDB API in Node.js. So that's it. That's for today, man. That's the topic of this. We cover all the Mongoose schema type. We create schemas. We created models. We query the data. We use different methods like sorting, limiting, and use the populate method. We can also use create other filters like GT for greater for you for querying the data in advanced level. In operation, you can use in operation to find the data in in an array in an array field. So that's me. That's it with Mongoose. It's very simple. You can use it in a very simple way. It makes your developer more easier, and it is really a fun. So that's it for today. I will meet you next time in the next video. So stay safe, keep learning, keep coding, and if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in next video. Have a nice day. Good luck. Bye. 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 Take care. Bye.